UCEEY, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, enable all push notifications, and follow me on Instagram. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the speak text personal automation on your iPhone. In case you don't know what that is, Olodo, the speak text automation is simply a way to customize Siri to say the things you desire when you do specific things on your phone. I'm going to enable 3 different automations in today's video, so sit back and watch. The first step is going to be for you to open shortcuts. Mine is already on top, but in case yours is in there's no point of scrolling and looking for it. Just search for shortcuts and launch the app. When you open shortcuts, at the bottom you are going to see a mini menu stuff to pick: shortcuts, automation, or gallery. So click on automation. I already have some here because my phone is already set up, but at the top right corner you're going to see the option there, the add sign up, something sign there. Click on that to be able to do that. You have the option to create personal automation or set up home. This video is for your personal automation, so click on the blue tab there, create personal automation. So when you get here, you have different options for different automations, but for this video I'm going to do one for the low power mode when an app is launched, and for when you receive special message from anybody or anybody that's texting you, shout out, normal human being sending boring message. So I'm going to start with the low power mode, so just click on that for the option to do that. When you click on this, you have the option to either make Siri speak when this is turned on or when it is turned off, or for you to even do both, but I'm just going to do for when the low power mode is turned on. So you add action, you search for speak text because that's what we want to do, then select the option, then type whatever I want it to say. I'm just going to type charge me baby because that's what I feel like telling Siri to do for me today. Then at the bottom you're going to see a play button to just hear what Siri sounds like saying this, just to leave
charge me baby.
Then just click the add button there. Note, you have to put off the ask before running. If you don't put this off, this whole thing just wasted the time doing is not going to work for you. The next one, I'm going to show you what happens when you forget to put it off for the next automation we're going to
charge me
work on.
baby. Charge me baby.
So you still go through the same process of adding, selecting. Then I'm going to put the automation for when an app is closed or open. So I'm going to put for when an app is opened. I'm just going to pick any random app because I've actually only done for the app I use, and that's Snapchat. So I'm just going to pick a delivery app. So go through the same method again, search for speak text, type whatever I want. Since I'm going to put do not order fast food bitch. Then click on the play button again to do a test run and actually hear what Siri sounds like saying this, to know if this is what I want.
Don't order fast food bitch.
As you can see, I just added this and decided to run it without switching that off. Then you see what happens when I open the app. Nothing is going to happen. This isn't going to run if you don't turn off that particular command that be set up. So I'll go back there, turn it off, then reopen the app, then it works. So the last personal automation we're going to do today,
don't order fast food bitch,
is going to be for when somebody texts you or something. So I'm just going to pick a random contact and just put in there. Definitely I'm not going to receive any message for this automation to actually like work for this particular video, but when I receive a message from this particular person, I'm definitely going to hear Siri say something.
What does this one want now?
So that's all for this video. If you want more videos on how to do other automations or how to enable sounds, make your phone scream and do certain things when you plug it in, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.